This is another of the forex specific indicators that we've been able to enhance and upgrade following the recent release of this new function in PineScript, which is this table, which you see here. This is the currency matrix. When we originally developed the indicators, which wasn't so long ago, for TradingView, this function was not available to us. It is now. It's terrific, and that's the reason we're upgrading the currency matrix, which is here, the currency array, and also the currency heat map. So it's just a wonderful enhancement that's allowed us to update and upgrade all those three specific indicators. And we've also got some exciting ideas planned for the future using this also, because it opens up many other opportunities. As I say, this is the currency matrix. I've got it running on 2 minute and I've got it running on 1 minute over here. So it looks exactly the same as it would on all the other platforms, TradeStation, NinjaTrader, MT45. The difference here is that, as you can see, we've also incorporated this new feature that we've added. This is only on TradingView at the moment. And this is to give you a sense of where the numerical value sits here in terms of overbought and oversold, if you like. You can think of it in exactly the same way as on the currency strength indicator, where you have the 80-20 lines, which just give you an idea of where a currency is in its journey into overbought or oversold. Is it at? Is it below? Is it slightly above? Whatever. And this is what this new function, this new feature has been designed to do, just to give you context, if you will, of whether the currency pair on the matrix grouped at the bottom are actually approaching. Are they getting to an extreme? So we have an average low here and we have an all-time low at the bottom. You can see here the pound New Zealand, this is on 2. This is at 5.77. So it's got quite a way to go before it gets to an all-time low. So it really puts that numerical value into context for you. It gives you a kind of benchmark just to think, well, actually, you know what, at this level, it is actually quite a long way off this all-time low level. So, you know, perhaps there's a little bit further to go. Similarly at the top, not quite so extreme. Average 4.6, currently at 5.7. So we're just pushing up towards the all-time high here, 6.3 at New Zealand CAD, all-time high at 838. Up here you can see we're pretty much there or thereabouts in terms of all-time high. What have we got in terms of all-time low? A little bit further to go there. But it's a really, really nice feature because it puts these numerical values into context for you once you start to approach those extremes, which is where, of course, you tend to get reversals from overbought to oversold. But obviously we are looking at it from the context of the currency matrix here. So we're looking at what's going on across our matrix of dollar or Canadian or yen or whatever it may be. And of course we can isolate that out as well. So just wanted to do this real quick video just to show you this new feature. As I say, if you have the indicator or you've got the full package, you'll get all these upgrades automatically, and you'll probably get advice, notifications that we're working on them as well when they're being done too. So there we go. Hope you've enjoyed this particular video. Lots more to come as always, and thank you to our wonderful development team for making this all happen and just look absolutely super sexy and cool. See you soon, and bye for now.